Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I'm harvesting a variety called Mr. Wu. I'm gonna make it quick because these mosquitoes are out here kicking like Jackie Chan.
Which one of y'all kicked me?
So this is the Mr. Wu right here. Whew. Mr. Wu put up a little fight. So this is the Mr. Wu right here, guys. And as usual, I will be cutting, taking the bricks test and the famous taste test to let you guys know what's going on with the Mr. Wu. All right. For those who haven't gotten their box, I'm going to tag you. I'm just waiting for a few more fruits to get ripe, and I will be sending that out. So hopefully at the end of this week, going into next week, I will be able to send those fruits out to you. I will tag the remaining winners so that you guys could get your boxes. There is a problem with the post office. It's not on me, and I'm trying to figure some things out because I'm due a refund for some of the boxes that I sent out that has completely disappeared and fallen off the map. So with that being said, you guys know the motto on the page: each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.